Bring your mind to the present moment. Noticing the sensations of your hips, of your shoulders, neck. Relax the facial muscles. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Bring your palm on your laps and start rotating your hips. Opposite direction. Come back to center. Bring that right palm down, left arm up and over. Make sure to press the left hip towards the earth. And let's do the other side. Left palm down, right arm up and over. Pressing the right hip towards the earth. And back to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Open your wings, hold the walls with the palm of your hands. Reach for a ball with the tip of the fingers. Hold the walls and reach for a ball. And release. Shoulder rotation. Opposite direction. And release. Bring the right arm across the left leg and the left palm behind you. Sit tall. Use this time to roll your eyes to your left. And let's do the other side. Roll your eyes to your right. And back to center. Switch your legs. Bring your palms together, interlace the fingers, rotate your wrist. Opposite direction. Press your palms down, inhale, arms up. Press your shoulders down, roll your arms to one side. Roll your arms to the opposite side. Again, arms to one side and to the opposite. And back to center, release your fingers. Bring yourself to 4, knees and palms down. Curl your toes, downward facing dog. Stretch one leg at a time. Bring yourself on a V upside down, hiding your head inside your arms, trying to keep those heels going towards the earth, even if they don't touch. Press those heels down. Now, heels up, heels down. Lift your toes off the mat, toes down, heels up, heels down, toes up, toes down. Let's do one more. Heels up, heels down, toes up, toes down. All right, bring the right leg all the way up. Stack your hips, bend your knee. Look under the right arm. 3-legged dog. and release. Bring the left leg all the way up. Three-legged dog. And release. Bring yourself to high plank. Downward facing dog. High plank. Downward facing dog. Now do high plank. Drop your knees. Chin and chest. Baby cobra. Upper dog. Downward dog. Beautiful. Lift the right leg up. And release. Lift the left leg up. And release. High plank. Low push-up. Upper dog. Downward dog. Child pose. Bring yourself back to 4, knees and palms down. Lounge the right foot through the hands. Roll the hips forward. Make sure to have a straight line from your knee to your heel. Arms up. Bring your hands down. Roll the hips back. Walk your hands closer to you. Flex your foot, forehead towards the knee. Gently come back again to 4. Lounge the left foot through the hands. Roll the hips forward. Straight line towards the big toe on the back. Arms up. Hands down. Roll the hips back. Flex your foot. Forehead towards your knee. Come back to 4. Curl your toes, downward facing dog. Stretch one leg at a time. High plank. Low push-up. Upper dog. Downward dog. High plank. Right foot up. Low push-up. Upper dog. Downward dog. Breathe. Stretch your legs. Let's do another one. High plank, left foot up, low push up, upper dog, downward dog. Beautiful. Bend your knees, look forward, jump through your hands. Bring your hips down, bow pose. Reach for your legs, right foot up and down, left foot up and down. Release your arms. You can hold your boat or go to canoe pose. Beautiful. Bring your feet down. Bring the arms forward. Go all the way down. Stretch your arms, stretch your legs. Feel the body getting deep stretch here. Bring that left knee towards the chest. Squeeze it in. Use your right hand to guide that knee all the way to the right. Spinal twist. Come back to center. Release. Arms overhead, legs straight. Feel the body getting a deep stretch. Right knee towards the chest. Use your left palm to guide that knee all the way to the left. Final twist. Back to center. Arms overhead. Stretch your leg. Bring both knees towards the chest. Palms on your knees. Draw one big circle. Opposite direction. Lift your legs up, flex your feet, point the toes and flex. Separate your legs a little bit and rotate your ankles. Opposite direction. Bring your knees towards the chest. Gently bring your feet down. We're moving on to bridge pose. Press your palms towards the earth. Lift your hips. Maybe interlace the fingers and roll the shoulder blades toward the spine. Keep breathing, keep holding your bridge. Release your hips slowly all the way down. Bring your knees toward your chest. Cross your feet, lift and rock. Have a seat. Now, slowly we're gonna bring ourselves to both again. Bring the index and middle finger between your toes, reach them, and all the way up, pressing the shoulders down. Now open up on a split. Bring your legs together, hold. Release your toes. Bring your feet down and back to 4. Now, curl your toes, downward facing dog. Bring yourself to high plank. We're going to side plank. And let's do the opposite side. Back to high plank, low push-up, upper dog, downward dog. And now bring yourself all the way down. Bend your knees, reach for your feet. Inhale, lift, bow pose. And maybe rock. Release, high plank. Downward facing dog. Bend your knees one at a time. Stretch. Bend your knees. Jump through your hands and bring yourself to boat. And go all the way down to canoe. And all the way down. Close your eyes. Gentle breathing. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Notice your heart. Take a moment to feel the sensations of your body. Gentle breathing. Fingers, rock your head side to side. Bring your feet together, arms overhead. Feel the body getting a deep stretch. Bring your knees towards the chest. Roll to the right side on a fetal position. When you're ready, bring yourself to a comfortable crossed leg sitting position. Bring the right ear towards the right shoulder and hold. Left ear towards the left shoulder and hold. And release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.